A man once came to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam carrying with him his belongings and a box. He said, "O Prophet, while I was passing through a jungle, I heard the voice of some birds' babies. I took them and put them in this box. The moment I did that, their mother came fluttering round my head." And the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Put them down." When the man put the box on the ground, the mother of the young birds joined them. Seeing this, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked the man, who now had a look of surprise on his face, "Are you surprised by the affection of the mother towards her young? I swear by Him, Almighty Allah, who has sent me, surely God is more loving to His servants than the mother to these young birds. Return these baby birds to the place from where you took them and let their mother be with them. Fear God with regard to animals," said the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. "Ride them when they are fit to be ridden and get off their backs when they are tired. Surely there are rewards for being kind and gentle to animals and for giving them water to drink."